How to prepare OMR sheet in MS Word on Windows 7, 10, or 11. So if you want to prepare the OMR sheet, then first you need to open up your MS Word. Once you open up your Word now, for example, I'll just simply go with 1, 2, 3 answers. So over here, what you need to do is you need to type 24D0, and then you need to press Alt and X keys together. And after that, you will have this kind of interface. Now again, give it a space and again go with 24D1 and again go with Alt and X. Give it a space again and go with 24D2 and go with Alt X. And this way you need to go with 24D3 and press Alt and X keys together. And in this way you'll have ABCD or the OMR sheet. Now if you want to make like 20 or 100 of them, then you just need to simply copy and paste it below. That's it. So that's how you can prepare OMR sheet, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.